Common Management Admission Test, that is CMAT, is a national level entrance examination conducted by the AICTE. The CMAT score is accepted by all AICTE approved institutions and affiliated colleges. Let's take a look at the important dates concerning CMAT 2017. And here's a checklist of important documents that you must keep in handy before starting the online application for CMAT. Now let's move on to the form filling process of CMAT 2017, and the ideal browser for that is Internet Explorer. Visit the official site for CMAT, that is aicte-cmat.in, to register. The homepage of the website will take you through the registration. On the left side of the homepage, you can find all the important dates flashed for your reference. Those who have already registered once can click on Existing User to log in. And to register first time, click on New User on the top right side. It will lead you to a detailed read on the prerequisites of CMAT application. You can also read in detail about the mode of payments here and can be ready with your instruments for payment. In case of any specific query regarding the CMAT application, you can write into customercare@aicte-cmat.in or call at their helpline number. Click on the checkbox and then on Submit to proceed. You will then be led to Register Now page where you will need to fill in all your personal details. Your name needs to be spelled exactly as you have it on your class 10th mark sheet. Select your category from General, SC, ST and OBC. Mention the state and type also in case of SC or ST category. In case of any physical disability, select Yes and also mention the type of the disability and its percentage. Now, you need to fill in your registered email ID and mobile number. Now select a password recovery question and its answer, which you can easily remember in case you forget your password in future. Moving on, you need to select your preferred cities where you wish to appear for the exam in the order of preference. In order to verify all the details filled above by you need to fill in the capture text. Check all the details carefully and then click on Submit. This will generate a user ID and a unique password which you can use for future login. Now, click on the Proceed button. Select the mode of payment from either cash or online and then click on Submit. This will lead you to the instructions page where you can read the guidelines related to the payment. The fee for general and OBC candidates is INR 1400 plus bank charges as applicable, whereas for female, SC, ST and PWD category candidates, fee is INR 700 plus bank charges as applicable. Now, you need to click on the link saying, please proceed to print the challan. In case of payment by cash mode, you need to fill in further details to generate challan. Then click on Print Challan. This will generate 3 copies of the challan, 1 for the bank and 2 more for the candidate's use. The bank's copy of the challan needs to be presented at your nearest SBI Bank branch. In case you wish to make the payment online, open the website's homepage in a new tab and sign in with the ID and password you generated earlier. It will direct you to the payment mode and now you can select the online mode and submit. This would lead you to the next page which will reflect your order number and also the amount to be paid by you. You can pay either by a debit or credit card or through net banking. Once you click on Pay Online, you will be led to the CC Avenue Payment Gateway. In case you have made multiple orders, save all the respective order numbers. Once you have successfully made the payment, now log in again to your account. You will be led to the second page of the application form. Check all your previous details and upload your scanned passport size photograph and signature. Now fill in your address. Once you have selected preferred cities, click the Save and Next button. The third page will ask you to fill in your qualification details, that is, your marks from class 10th till graduation. Once completed and rechecked carefully, click on Save and Next. After saving, your complete form will appear for a preview. After preview, if you still wish to change some of the details on the application form, click on View and Modify, else Proceed. This will lead you to the declaration page where you need to certify that all the information filled by you is complete and correct. Then click on I agree. No edits in the form are possible after you agree to the declaration page. This step completes your registration process, and now you can click on Exit to return to the home page. College Dekho wishes you all the very best for the exam.